Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay your Rakuten Mobile bill. First, automatic withdrawal. Register your bank account for automatic withdrawals through the Rakuten Card website. This is a fast and convenient way to pay your bill automatically. Other payment methods like bank transfers. If you need to pay before the due date, contact the Rakuten Card Customer Call Center for bank account details for transfers. Convenience store payments. Some convenience stores allow you to pay your Rakuten mobile bill directly at their counters. Rakuten Pay. If you have a Rakuten Pay account, you can use Rakuten Cash to pay for some services. Note, this may not cover your main mobile bill directly. Rakuten Mobile Carrier Billing. You can pay for purchases on Google Play Store or other services directly through your Rakuten mobile bill. Important notes: always check your Rakuten mobile bill for payment instructions and deadlines. Make sure you have enough funds in your account or sufficient Rakuten cash for the payment method you choose. And that's it. That's how to pay your Rakuten mobile bill. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.